Here, you can manage the complete cycle of salary of your employee, and mostly, you need to create the one-time policy as per your HR guidelines. By just one click, this module will help you get the salary details of each employee, taking in account his or her leave, overtime, late coming, early going, advance, leave pass, PT, and many other such important rules. Under this module, the first tab is Setup. When we click on Payroll Year, Current and Next Year Details and a button named Start New Year appears. By clicking on this button, policies for the current year is further extended in the new year. On clicking Type Master, we can add the pay elements and leave code as per your HR guidelines. Through Pay Element Master, you can set your payment elements such as Basic, HRA, DA, PF, etc. along with the respective amount of percentage cadre-wise. You can also set respective addition and deductions. In order to see the list of pay elements, you can simply click on Pay Element List. By clicking on plus sign, you can see the complete details of each pay element. Now comes Leave Master. By clicking on Add Leave, you can set up leave designation-wise, assign leave code, assign credit type and number of leaves and leaves to be carried forward. And by clicking the Leave List, you get the detailed list of leaves designation and code-wise. And you can also use filters for the desired data. Clicking on Holiday and Off Day, you can set up holidays and off days, list of which can be seen below. Also, you can set off days designation-wise. If a holiday repeats at the same date every year, then you can just click on Continue Every Year button. Now comes the payroll policy. By clicking Salary Structure and another policy allotment, you can set the payroll policy for each employee. Here, you can assign salary structure to any employee, and further, you can manage employee in-time, out-time, late coming and early going related rules, overtime rules, and here, CTC is mandatory. In application, some places CTC data is considered in accounting projection and in work margin calculation. Now clicking on Leave Pass and Late or Early Policy. Here, you can define rules for a particular designation, like if leave pass or late coming or early going timing rules lapse by 3 to 5 times, then 1 day salary has to be deducted and define further slabs. By clicking Leave Approve Right, you can assign that who can grant leave to which employee, and the list of the same can be seen below. Next thing is Leave Management. Under this, by clicking on Leave Application, employee can apply for a half day or a full day leave. Then list of such leave applications can be seen by clicking Leave Application List. You can use filters to see the desired data. Leave Request List gives you the list of leaves requested by an employee. Leave Balance List gives the information of code-wise balance leaves for each employee. Under Leave Pass, using Add Leave Pass, you can add leave pass for an employee, and the list of such leave pass can be seen under Leave Pass List. This can help when an employee wants to leave for like 2 hours that you can manage here under predefined rules. Under Advance tab, you can use Add Advance in order to enter the information related to advance given to an employee, such as advance amount, date, installment for repayment, and installment start month and year. Advance List will show you the complete details of the advance as well as the amount repaid and pending. Now comes Attendance. An employee can add his or her attendance by clicking on Add Attendance, and the list of the same can be viewed by clicking Attendance List. This list will give all the details such as non-working days, leave, overtime, late coming or early going, etc. In case you use biometric system, then through Import Attendance tab, you can import the attendance data at the end of every month just by one click. Under Process Salary tab, by clicking on Process button, you can see employee-wise salary calculation as per the policies you have created in the system and the respective attendance. Parallelly, the details will be sent to the employee through email and SMS. If there is any rectification reported by an employee, it can again be processed. If everything is fine, then salary details will be posted by clicking Post button. However, if required, desired addition or deduction can be done by clicking on Post Salary button given beside the checkbox. We can also view the salary details by clicking on View Data. And by clicking on Processed Salary List, you can see the employee-wise processed salary and you can take print of salary slip. Also, your employee will get email or SMS notification of the same.